Welcome to an in-depth exploration of the Samsung Galaxy A55, a smartphone that's redefining the mid-range segment with its exceptional features and performances. In this video, we will dive into every aspect of this device to help you make an informed decision. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is a testament to Samsung's commitment to design excellence with the sleek form factor, premium materials, and a range of stunning color options. It's a device that's yours to turn heads wherever you go. At the heart of the Samsung Galaxy A55 lies a powerhouse of performance. From its vibrant Super AMOLED display to its powerful Exynos 1480 chipset and versatile camera system, every aspect of this device is engineered to deliver an exceptional user experience. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the Samsung Galaxy A55's advanced camera system. Whether you are shooting in low light, capturing breathtaking landscapes, or getting up close with macro photography, the device ensures that your memories are preserved in vivid clarity. Take your gaming experience to the next level with the Samsung Galaxy A55. With its powerful processor, vibrant display, and immense sound quality, you will enjoy smooth gameplay and unparalleled entertainment on the go. Stay protected and secure with the Samsung Galaxy A55 with features like IP67 dust, water resistance, and advanced sensor technology. Your device is safeguarded against the element and unauthorized access, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. But don't just take our words for it. Hear from the real Samsung Galaxy A55 users who have experienced the device firsthand. From its performance to its camera capabilities, they will share why they love their Samsung Galaxy A55 smartphone. And there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy A55, a device that's as stylish as it is powerful with its exceptional features, stunning design, and affordable price point. It's the perfect companion for your everyday adventure. Get your today and experience the difference. Experience excellence with the Samsung Galaxy A55. Thank you for watching.